Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to start the next step of the incorporation process or the formation of a company. The first stage was the promotion stage, in which we have studied how we get the documents ready after getting the name approved and finding the signatories of memorandum. The next step is to get incorporated. So what we have to do in this stage, it is that stage in which the company gets formed, in which the company gets registered under the Companies Act 2013. The first step is to file the necessary documents. Once the registrar has approved the name, you have to make certain documents and then submit to the registrar of the companies. The first document is memorandum of association. Then you also have to give the articles of association, a statement of authorized capital which states how much is your authorized capital, by what amount you want to get registered. A list of director is also needed with their name, address, occupation, age, and now onwards they also need to give their director identification number and their Aadhaar cards. You have to give a written consent of all the directors that they are ready to act as director. You have to give a notice of the address of registered office of the company and a declaration which states that all formalities related to formation of company are duly completed, that you have done each and everything. You have to give all these 7 documents: the memorandum, the articles, the authorized capital statement, list of directors, written consent, address of, and a statutory declaration. After submitting these documents, first you have to make this document, and these documents should be prepared in the name of company itself, not in the name of the director, not in the name of the promoter. The documents are prepared in the name of the company only. Like if you are opening XYZ Private Limited, so the name on the memorandum should be XYZ Private Limited only. Once it is done, you have to pay the fees. After submit the documents, you have to submit the prescribed fees of registration. The amount will depend upon the amount of authorized capital. If you are going for a very big company, you will have to pay more amount. If you are going for a lower level of company, you will have to pay less amount. Then you have to get you will get the registration certificate after all the verification and testification. The registrar verifies all the documents submitted, and he also checks the receipt of fees deposit. And if he is satisfied with the validity and authenticity of the document, if he thinks everything is perfectly fine, he will submit the document of he will enter the name into the register of company, that this company is registered from now onwards, and he will issue a certificate of incorporation. And from this date onwards, the company becomes an artificial person. The company comes into existence as a separate legal entity. ठीक है, इससे पहले ये separate legal entity नहीं है, but once the certificate of incorporation is issued, the company get a separate existence then from its promoters. It looks like that means the information written on that is, I hereby certify that name of the company is this day incorporated under the Companies Act 2013 now, and the company is a limited given under my hand at Delhi. It means that the registration is to be done straightwise. This 24th day of August 2012, this is the date of registration on which the company gets registered. फीस डीड स्टैम्प ड्यूटी सील लगेगी यहाँ पे रजिस्ट्रार की, अमाउंट मेंशन किया जाएगा, साइन किए जाएंगे बाय द रजिस्ट्रार ऑफ कंपनी दिल्ली. जिस भी स्टेट का है उस स्टेट के जो भी रजिस्ट्रार होंगे, ही विल साइन इट देयर एंड ही विल अप्रूव इट. फ्रॉम दिस डे ऑनवर्ड्स द कंपनी बिकम्स अ सेपरेट लीगल एक्सिस्ट. Now the question comes, what is the effect of the certificate of incorporation? The certificate of incorporation that is being issued by the company, what is the basic benefit of this? So a company is legally born on the date printed on the certificate of incorporation. The company is born on the date जो print की जाती है उस पर कि हाँ, from today onwards this is a company. From this day it is considered as a separate legal entity with a perpetual succession. From this day, जो डेट इस पर मेंशन हो गई, भले आपको बाद में मिले डॉक्यूमेंट्स, लेकिन उस दिन से कंपनी एक अलग एग्जिस्टेंस रखती है अपार्ट फ्रॉम इट्स ओनर्स, apart from its promoters. Now, company can do transaction from its own name or from the date mentioned on the certificate of incorporation. This certificate is a conclusive evidence of the legal existence. Conclusive evidence means if you have got the certificate of incorporation, so even if there were any deficiency in formalities, those deficiencies will be ignored, or there will be penalties over the people who were at the fault, but the company's registration will be considered valid only. The company's registration will not get void on the ground that there were some deficiencies on the in the formalities. Following points will make it clear. Like, the certificate of incorporation was issued on 24th August, whereas the date mentioned is 22nd August. So the date, from the date mentioned, जिस दिन की डेट मेंशन है, the companies will be considered to be born from that date only, and so the dealings carried on by 23rd August. That every dealing will be legal, even though the certificate will be issued on 24th. Also, as it is a conclusive evidence, so अगर आपको registration के बाद, after getting the registration certificate, it was found that a person has forged signature on the memorandum, फर्जी साइन की है, he has done forgery, so even then the incorporation will be valid. The person at the fault may be imprisoned, he might be applied fine, but the registration will not be challenged, registration will be valid. So these are the points for the incorporation. Now the private companies can start their work from this day onwards. The private company doesn't have to go for any further formalities. The private companies can start from their business from this time onwards. But in case of public company, you have to go for further steps, which we will discuss in the next video. Till then, take care and have a great day.